Isn't it funny that being born is the luckiest thing to happen to you, yet everyone has done it? Shower thoughts. We really don't know what time it is, we just take everyone else's word for it. There are only 10 different numbers, yet you can count endlessly with them. No one ever hears a car alarm and thinks a car is being broken into. If someone obtains superpowers, it is unlikely that they will want to become a superhero. You have probably walked past a celebrity in your lifetime and didn't notice. Movie theaters will probably end up like arcades in the near future. Cars are likely the only reason the radio business is still alive. We technically get more starlight during the day than we do at night. If an object is large enough, it becomes a location.